So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit font here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up, the first thing you have to do is to go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the text icon. So for this demonstration, I'll just press add a heading right here under default text styles. And all I'm going to type in is, different fonts, for example. So by default for me, the font is Canva Sans and size 92. Now if you want to edit the fonts, for example, so for different right here, just highlight it, go to the top, press on the drop down right here. On the left hand side of your screen, you can either search a font if you know exactly what you're looking for, or what you can do is go to recommended fonts, recently used, or just go from alphabetical in regards to popular. So for example, if I wanted this to be, a basic Arial font, just like that. The fonts, both fonts in this situation are Arial. If I wanted to, copy and paste this right here and change this font, I can go ahead and change this to this one right here. And that's a different kind of font. You can also unbold it, of course, if you want. Change the color, do whatever you have to do. It is completely up to you. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to edit the font on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.